Okay, so I originally ordered these Q30 by Soundcore, Anchor Soundcore headphones. These are noise cancellation, and they worked fine, but now during the summer, these earphones are really hot to me. And I still don't like the fact that if you press the side accidentally by leaning on the flight, like leaning on your side or just up against something, it turns the noise cancellation off. So it has, not only does it have the noise cancellation button here, it has the noise cancellation button here, and it's triggered very easily. So I am switching over to these Anchor Sport X20 Fit Flex ear hook for secure fit. Both of these came with cases. This one is for the Soundcore Q30. This is what the case came like. And I don't want to do earbuds because I'm always afraid I'm going to lose them. It comes with a charging cable as well as extra earphone. And let's see what kind of charging cable we have. And it is USB-C within a regular USB. So I'm going to make sure I keep these together. But this is how it looks. I like that it came packaged well, so it doesn't look like it's been used or opened yet, so that's good. Hopefully these have great sound. I'll keep you posted. Make sure you follow me. But for now, I'm retiring these Q30s just because they made me hot on the flight, and the issue with this noise cancellation, turning it to transparency mode here, really annoyed me. And sometimes with workouts, this definitely would kind of slide all over the place, even though I adjusted the fit.